Hi guys, ito na yung nabili kong mini microphone sa Amazon. I-share ko sa inyo kung paano ko i-connect sa phone ko saka sa computer ko. Okay? So ito yung mga kasama niya sa pocket. Yung 2 transmitter, mic with backup clips, 3-in-1 receiver, 2 windproof floor covers, USB A to C charging cable, the user manual, and the storage case. So in your computer, i-connect mo lang yung 3-in-1 receiver. Ayan, parang ganyan siya. And then go to settings. And then in the settings, look for sounds. And then choose mo yung input. I already installed it, so just follow. And then click mo yung, sa akin kasi I'm using the MacBook computer, so I choose MacBook Pro microphone, and then makikita mo yung input level niya nag-move, so meaning it's already connected. This is just like a plug and play, so easy. Okay, for the iPhone, i-connect mo lang siya ng parang ganyan. Yeah. Ayan, pag after click mo yung voice memo, may makikita kang input receiver na nag-move na siya, meaning it's already connected. Okay, that's easy, right? So guys, ganito na yung tsura niya. Ayan. Diba?